Hello, in front of me I've got Microsoft Surface Duo. In this video I'll show you how to change home and work location in Google Maps. At the beginning, enter Google Maps, tap button in the right corner, go to Settings and edit home or work. Remove current addresses if you've got them and enter home. You can enter home address or choose point on map. For example here. And let's do the same thing with work. Now reset your map. Enter it again. And now you can navigate from home to work. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.